welcome to a new video on the Agrifoto YouTube channel. The wheat harvest is in full swing in the Netherlands, and in this video we will focus on a rare combine brand for this country, Fendt. In this video you can see two of the latest Fendt combines at work, a 6335 C6 straw walker model and a slightly smaller 5255 LEPL5 walker machine. Both were purchased used by a Dutch contractor in the southwest of the country. Fendt combines are sold new in the Netherlands, but most machines are actually grey imports coming from countries such as Germany, where Fendt has a much larger presence. Fendt had already been offering combines for 16 years, when this model was launched in 2015. After having been acquired by ACO in 1997, it joined forces in the group with long-standing combine manufacturers Massey Ferguson and Dronningborg of Denmark. For the 1999 harvest, the first Fendt combines were offered in Europe. These shared great similarities with the new models from Massey Ferguson, but did differ in certain areas. The cab was different. The unloading auger was in another position and the threshing cylinder was larger than on the red machines. In 2007, US machinery giant ACO acquired a 50% stake in Italian combine manufacturer Laverda and, 3 years later, took on full ownership. It was decided that the old Dronningborg factory in Randers was to be closed down and full production moved to Bregenz in Italy. That is where this machine was built. The first C-Series was launched in 2004 alongside Massey Ferguson's Beta range. These were based on Laverda harvesting technology. In 2011, the range was updated and again for the 2016 harvest. The combines received new engines, SCR technology and the all-new Skyline CAD. The 6335 is powered by a 360 horsepower ACO Power 6-cylinder engine. This drives a 60 cm diameter threshing drum and secondary beater. The drum is 160 cm wide. It has 6 straw walkers and a 9,000 litre grain tank. It is also offered by Massey Ferguson as the 7370 Beta model. One other typical Massey Ferguson feature found on this machine is the power flow header. Belts fitted to the header ahead of the main intake auger have been a long-standing feature on all Massey combines, and this machine is also fitted with them. From the biggest to the smallest model in the Walker lineup, this 5255 is similar to the C-Series but is a 5-walker model. It has the same Skyline cab but a smaller 6-cylinder 243 horsepower engine. The threshing drum has the same diameter size but is less wide with 134 centimeters. With 8,600 litres, the grain tank is only slightly smaller compared to the bigger model. This machine is a so-called paralevel machine, which means it can keep itself level on slopes. Not really something you need in the Netherlands, obviously. As the machine cuts the last meters of wheat on this field, we have come to the end of this video. We will be back with more videos soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.